Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. So in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to save recorded TikTok videos without posting it. So maybe anytime you want to save your TikTok video but you don't want to upload it to your TikTok account, so I want to show you how you can do that. So first you need to click on the plus icon and then record your video. For example, I'm going to just record a short video like this, and then click on the check icon, and then after that here at the right panel just click on the arrow and find the CapCut icon. So you need to click on the CapCut, and you need to have the CapCut apps on your phone to do this trick. Click on a CapCut and then click on go to CapCut, and then click on continue editing, and then after that click on this pause option here at the top right, and the video will be exporting like this, and you'll be directed to TikTok, but you can just go back. So you can just go back and click on quit, and after that you just can see in your videos gallery on your phone there will be a video save recorded TikTok video that is saved to your phone. So that's the tutorial for me. I hope this video will be helpful to you. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you like the video, please do click on the thumbs up icon. Don't forget to leave a comment and subscribe to our channel. See you at the next tutorial. Bye.